StartApp Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to StartApp are in the description. StartApp is a mobile ad technology platform designed to help app developers and advertisers optimize user acquisition, engagement, and monetization. It offers a data-driven advertising ecosystem that connects developers with high-quality advertisers, ensuring relevant and high-performing ads are delivered to users without disrupting the in-app experience. For app developers, StartApp provides advanced monetization solutions, allowing them to maximize revenue through rewarded videos, interstitials, native ads, and banner formats. The platform uses predictive analytics and AI-driven ad optimization, ensuring that developers get the best fill rates and eCPMs. One of StartApp's standout features is its contextual and behavior-based targeting, which ensures that ads are not only relevant to users, but also optimized for engagement. For advertisers, StartApp offers a global reach across millions of mobile devices, allowing brands and marketers to launch high-converting ad campaigns with access to premium inventory. The platform's AI-powered audience segmentation helps advertisers reach their ideal users by leveraging real-time behavioral insights and location-based targeting. This makes it a strong choice for those looking to drive app installs, increase user engagement, and maximize ROAS, return on ad spend. One of StartApp's key advantages is its lightweight SDK, which is easy to integrate and ensures that app performance remains smooth while still delivering high-quality ad experiences. Additionally, the platform provides real-time analytics and reporting tools, allowing developers and advertisers to track ad performance, user behavior, and revenue trends with actionable insights. StartApp also excels in programmatic advertising, offering real-time bidding (RTB) and private marketplace (PMP) deals, ensuring advertisers get premium ad placements while developers benefit from competitive demand. The platform's direct partnerships with premium advertisers mean higher payouts for publishers compared to many standard ad networks. Overall, StartApp is a powerful ad platform for both app developers and advertisers, combining AI-driven ad optimization, real-time analytics, and high-quality demand sources. Whether you're looking to monetize your app or run effective ad campaigns, StartApp provides a seamless and scalable solution. Check the links in the description to learn more.